Viewers, welcome to techtravellershub. Today I am going to show you the Motorola razr40 smartphone. It's a folding phone. This is the outlook of the phone. Dual display phone. A small display in the back side. Okay. It was released 21 June 2023. This is the look of the phone. See the display. The dimension of unfolded phone is 170.8 into 74 into 7.4 millimeter, and folded phone dimension is 88.2 into 74 into 15.8 millimeter. Weight 188.6 gram. Okay, this is the display. The display color is really good quality display. Plastic front unfolded, plastic front folded, plastic back, aluminum frame, 70,000 series, hinge, stainless steel. My phone is eSIM and nano SIM version. Water repellent coating. The display type is LTPO AMOLED, 1 billion color, 144 Hz, HDR10 plus, 1400 nits peak. The size of the display is 6.9 inches. The display is little bit taller when it is unfolded comparing to other smartphone, but it's handy. It looks good. The phone's build quality is good and the outlook is really good. The display resolution is 1080 into 2640 pixels, 413 ppi density. Second external AMOLED display, 1000 nits peak, 1.5 inches, 194 into 368 pixels, 282 ppi, Gorilla Glass Victus. Android 13 installed, upgradable to Android 14. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon SM7450, AB Snapdragon 7 generation 1, 4nm chipset. CPU octa-core, 1 into 2.4 GHz Cortex A710 and 3 into 2.36 GHz Cortex A710 and 4 into 1.8 GHz Cortex A510. GPU Adreno 644. There is no card slot. My phone's internal memory is 128 GB and 8 GB RAM. The main camera of the phone is 64 megapixel wide screen, and the secondary camera is 13 megapixel ultra wide. Features LED flash panorama HDR. The video quality of the back camera is 4K at the rate 30 frame rate per second, 1080 pixel, 30 or 60 frame rate per second. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel wide screen. Selfie camera HDR, video quality 4K 30 frame rate per second, 1080 pixel, 30 or 60 frame rate per second. Loudspeaker available with stereo speaker. 3.5 millimeter jack is not available in this phone. Snapdragon sound, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, ground glass, BDS, Galileo, QGIS positioning available, NFC available. There is no radio, USB Type C 2.0, fingerprint sensor side mounted. The battery is 4200 mAh non removable, 30 watt wire charging and 5 watt wireless charging supported. Our phone is sage green color. It also available in vanilla, cream, summer lilac, grape compote, cherry blossom. I have taken some photos and videos with this phone. The photo samples are here, you can see. Using different mode: main camera, secondary camera, portrait, and as well as front camera. The photo quality is quite good. In some cases the image was processed and the photo color become yellowish. I think it will be also resolved by changing the settings. These are the samples taken by the selfie camera. You can see there is a yellowish color added in every photo. This was taken by back camera in different modes. The back camera quality is also good. I think we have to change the setting, because every time after capturing the photo it takes a second to process the photo and then it become yellowish. This is back camera portrait mode. This is also taken by back camera. Sometimes it is not that comfortable to receive a call when it is unfolded. You have to unfold it every time to receive a call if you don't have a Bluetooth or wireless headphone. Otherwise it was okay. To capture photo without unfolding the phone, you have to press 2 times on the power button, then the camera will open. Then press the lower volume button to capture the photo. This is captured by without unfolding. These are back camera photos. Earlier I have also shared video taken by the camera. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.